Good evening, Sarjana Panjaitan. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adi Citra Tarigan with student ID 2382033. Tonight I will present my project final the for the web programming to class. The purpose of my presentation is to explain my project, how I work on it, and the feature included in it. I will also describe how my code works and explain its structure.
Explain only the feature relates to the output, including comments and package. Comments, comments, comments form. The purpose of this code is to create a reusable comments form in the enrich for adding or editing comments and edit product called product form TSX. The purpose of this code is to create a reusable form is rich for editing product details, allowing user to update product information such as name, price, stock, and description with form validation and a confirmation from before submission. And Navbalti SX, the purpose of this code is to create a responsive navigation where enrich that allows users to navigation between page, view notifications, and access user profile options. And next, post form. The purpose of this code is to create a dynamic form for adding posts with validation, animation, and that submission from using Rage. Next, product form. The purpose of the code is to create a reusable product from components enriched for adding or editing product data with validation, conditional rendering, and motion handling using rich hook form and rich query. And next to research form, the purpose of the code is to create interactive form for adding or editing variations with features such as validation, animation, and data management using rich hook form, rich query, and rich framework motions. Okay. Next to this is Todos to create a simple Todo form using Rage, allowing users to add or edit text with smooth animation powered by Framer motion and basic input validation. Okay, next to package. Yang is number one, add comments. The main purpose of this code is to add a comments to the service using rich query, and access after the comments is successfully submit, the user is automatically redirected to the comments page. And next, add post. The main purpose of this code is to add a new post to the service using rich query and exhaust. Once the post is successfully submit, the user is automatically redirect to the post and to the post page. And next, add product. Add product to the service using rich query and access after a successful submission, the user is automatically redirected to the product. And next, after receives the SX, the main purpose of this code is to add a new receipt using rich query and access it collect user inputs, title, description, ingredients, and iterations. Process data and submit it to the server. After a successful submission, the user is redirected to the receipts. And next, add orders. At Todos, the purpose of this code is to add a new to the item to the backend using rich query and access while providing visual feedback to user with loading animation and page descriptions using frame animation. And next, comment TSX. This code fetches and displays comment from the comments endpoint using rich query and exois. It includes loading and error step. This comments with user details and likes, allows navigation to individual comments, and provides a button to add new comments, all with smooth animation for a better user experience. And next, this query allows user to edit and delete comment by watching comment data using rich query and exhaustions. It handles update with will edit provide to simple responsive UI with confirmation before deleting. And next, data post. This code manage in editing and deleting posts using rich query and access. Its post data allows user to update the title and body, and handle post deletion with confirmation after a successful update or delete. In navigation back to the approved page, the UI is clean and responsive. And next, wait. Okay. Detail totals. This component handle totals management, watching, updating, and deleting totals using rich query. It was data based on the ID from the URL, updates the totals, text, and status, and navigation after actions. Clean design with user-friendly feedback for loading and error. And next, error product. Their product component handles the product editing process using rich query its functions. And next, edit shapes. Edit component which raises detail by either from the URL allow users to edit and submit update data to the server. Automatically navigates to the receive list after a successful edit, shows loading feedback with a blur effect and spinner animation and use the resist form component to handle input and update. And next, editor doors component which is to the details by ID from the URL allows users to update or delete the to-do submits change to the server, automatically navigate back to the list upon success, so loading and error feedback and uses from strong inputs for editing the to-do's text and complaint status. And next home system, and this is post TSS component pages and display a list of posts using rich query. With loading and error stat, it shows each post little body text rich reactions, likes or dislikes, and view. Clicking on a post, navigation to its detail page, and there is a floating button to add no post. And next, product DNS component fetches and displays a list of products using rich query handling loading sites with escalation loaders. It shows each product image, little description, and price. Clicking on a product navigation to its detail page. And next, product detail. Product detail is the purpose of the code is to display product details, including fetching data from an API, handling loading with uh, escalation screen, and providing options to edit or delete a product rich query and rich router. And next, receive CSS. The purpose of the code is to display a list of reaction fetched from an API with a loading escalation from smoother UI, a button to add new recipes, and navigation to view receipt details using rich query and rich router. And next, research detail. The purpose of this code is to display detailed information about the receipt, including its ingredients, instructions, and other attributes. It also allows users to edit or delete a receipt with a confirmation prompt for deletion. The page also rich query to fetch data from an API and show a loading escalation while waiting for the response. Additionally, rich router is used for navigation between pages. And next, Todos, this code creates a todo list page using rich query and rich router. It fetches the list of to-dos from an API while the data is loading. A escalation loader effect is used to approve a smoother user experience. If there's an error during data function, an error message is displayed. Okay. Here I will try to write it. To terminal. I will change this to a comment prompt. Okay. Web 2 and enter. Next to npm Install. Okay, npm run. Next to npm run dev. Alright, I will show you the website created from the coding earlier. We can see the website in the browser. The first page display the home section, and we can see there are 5 packages. Let's start with package number 1. Package number 1, product. On this page, we can see a list of products along with their description. And next, this is receipts. Receipts, we can see various receipt and food image along with short rating that indicate how tasty or useful each receipt as is our user. Then when I click the plus button of the button on right, the view just allow us to add a new recipe that we create yourself. And next comment, this section shows people's comments on posts, and we can also add our own component comments. And next, this is post post list. Then there's the post page. By clicking on this page, the post will be loaded and refreshed. There also an edit option for updating the post. And next, this is a to-do list. Lastly, this section is our suggestions or list of things to do. Perfect if you're feeling bored and want to stay organized. Alright, that's all for my presentation and explanation of my project. Thank you, and my Lord Jesus bless you.